and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Dipka Lingdo bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. A book entitled Love the Reason We Live, a physiological mandate by Dr. John E. Lingdo releases today. 1 year anniversary of total lockdown in the country. Mortal remains of PHE Additional Chief Engineer laid to rest in Shillong. And now the news in detail. A book entitled Love the Reason We Live, a physiological mandate was released today, the 25th March 2021 at the auditorium in Negrims, Shillong, written by Dr. John E. Lingdo. The book was released by the director of Negrims. On this day, the 11th annual day of Negrims Hospital Shillong was also celebrated by distributing prizes to various participants who participated in different events and awards such as Best Publication, Faculty and Senior Resident Doctors, Postgraduate Trainee, MSc Postgraduate Trainee, MBBS, BSc Nursing Student and allied staff were also distributed. In a workshop-cum-consultation program on the draft Meghalaya Youth Policy 2021, the youths of different schools, representatives of different organizations came together with their thoughts and opinion to be impressed on the policy, which was held at the office of the Deputy Commissioner along with the office of District Sport Officer, West Jaintia Hills District at the Pep Palej Y. Present at the occasion were the Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hills District, Garod Eleanor Dykes, District Sport Officer K. Pasa, Kong R. Lindem, PTI Riboy District, who gave the welcome speech on the topic, amongst others. Speaking to the media, the District Sport Officer K. Pasa informed that the government is open for suggestions from the public on the Meghalaya draft sport policy on their website, which can be beneficial to the youths.
Web email ID ko daw untuk ang duha kini workshop kod ko ki ideas yi ki paiba kinong chong chnong yong ka West Jaintia leni yong ka state di horok ko wi yi ki idea chong ki hapo ka ga email ID ko daw ka ga workshop ben yi gu ki ideas ki input chong ki hapo ka ga email ID kitang wa ka government yo yi go le ni kan ka to le.
Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Shri P. Tensang today laid a foundation stone of the World Bank-funded Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project MITP for upgradation of Mau Maram, Nongthleo, Maumi, Maulindep Road 41.527 kilometers at a program held at St. Teresa Secondary School, Maulangut, East Khasi Hills in the presence of Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Shri Medba Lingdo and other dignitaries. The project was sanctioned at an amount of 64.12 crores for the construction of the road, which is expected to be completed in the year 2023.
Like this? Yeah. Okay. You got it?
The mortal remains of PHE Additional Chief Engineer Government of Meghalaya, Alitingwell Lingkhoi, were laid to rest at the Laban Presbyterian Cemetery in Shillong amidst tearful mourners. Lingkhoi was born on the 1st October 1965 and passed away on 25th of March 2021. He left behind his wife and 2 daughters. The Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, Isawanda Lalu, eulogized Lingkhoi as a dedicated government servant. In her condolence message to the bereaved family, Lalu expressed deep appreciation to the contribution made by Lingkhoi as a government servant and a passionate person to serve the people of the state. He was instrumental for the functioning of the water supply scheme for Kenches locality, besides his promoting sports activity and other social services. The PHE Additional Chief Engineer Davis Marbanyang, on behalf of the department, informed the various responsibilities that Lingkhoi had shouldered over the years while working in the PHE department. Speaking at the funeral, Gideon Karmaplang IAS informed the gathering that Lingkhoi was a brilliant student. The brother of Lingkhoi, B. Lingkhoi, termed his elder brother as a father, brother and uncle because of his kind and loving nature.
Passing through, treasures are laid up somewhere beyond the blue. The angels beckon me from heaven's open door, and I can't feel at home in this world anymore. Oh,
Today is exactly 1 year of total lockdown in the country. Last year, when everything was shut down, some people took it as an opportunity to do something better, while some lost hope. The virus, which is invisible to the eyes, became the deadliest threat to humanity. Situations became worse as time passed, but despite all these, there is always something good to look for. Last year, after the unlocking of the lockdown, many realized the value of relationship between man and environment. The air became clean again. The air became clean once again. The streams became clean again. The sky became clearer, and everything else was good. With the COVID-19 in the scene, human became vulnerable and weak. Some says, what if 2020 is just a trailer? Are we prepared to face 2021? Well, we are already in day 84 of 2021. We should be thankful we have come this far. As days passed, life is getting back to normal, but there's still uncertainty about future since the whole world is talking about the second wave of the pandemic, which might be worse than the present one. Despite all these, we should not lose hope. Instead, we should learn to trust and hope in the great and mighty ways that the Maker of the universe has in store for us.
Yes, kada bigi sngi kalon nang ja. De kini gi borok ka de jing ku jong bay ka jing snai jong blay. Ya ka jela jongi boni COVID-19 boni konabal sang duna. Dan de hapring jong kani ka jing karpat na kaliang jonga ya ki pai ba nos nong jong jela. Sokobha ya ka ban ai ya ketika COVID-19. Don kam ban ai tika. Don kam ban vaccinate. Khnang bangin lait nang de jing pang stom. Jika jing ai menta jongi ya kani ketika COVID-19 kawai bani dai da jong kaba arben da kiwe dangile kum ta ngai skam unu ko na borasi kapo ka jelahi borok kawai unum la asyo ya ban atak leban wan hapo jong jelah mekhalia.
Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.